Good morning, beautiful babes. How are y'all this morning? Just woke up myself. Yes, I did. And y'all, I just want to report this new pillow of mine. Yeah, well, the pillow isn't new, but the pillowcase is new. And oh, it's so nice. I did a review on it on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So y'all check it out. It's the MYK Silk pillowcase. It's mulberry silk. And oh my gosh, y'all, guess what? No sleep lines on the face. I'm so excited. Hallelujah. I mean, this is perfect. This is perfect. Yes, it's a joy. But check out the actual review on the other channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. So today I am it's Friday. I'm up and at 'em to, well, I can't say I'm up at 'em. It's like 10:45 because I just woke up. But I have definitely thought about what I have in store today. Tomorrow is showtime. Park in Arkansas will be there live with a band, and we'll be at Griffin's Lounge. So be there if you can be there. Um, but I have got to get my wardrobe or what I'm going to wear tomorrow. Not real sure. I'm not real sure. I'm confused. I'm like so confused. I don't know, but I'm going to get together and get up at this bed and see what's what. Yeah. But this week, y'all know I tried the new chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Y'all, no, girl. No, it is not it. It's not the one, okay? I could have gone to Chick-fil-A and got me a real good sandwich. I mean, the sandwich is good, but it ain't worth standing in line for. So y'all better wait till the hype go down because this sandwich ain't that. It's not that, okay? Stop playing with people. I don't even know why people just endorsing that thing like that. That's crazy. But y'all, I don't know. Mm-mm. That's hecka crazy that they got people running all over town trying to get this dadgum sandwich. And it ain't even that at all. So, and if you see a little glow ball go by every now and then, I have the ceiling fan on right now. So, Mikey D is out. He's actually gassing up the van for tomorrow and just stopped by and picked up all the van equipment, and we're going to be heading out of here tomorrow like 5 o'clock. And mm-hmm, yeah, that's it. Um, but I have done so much this week, just hecka busy. I mean, every single freaking day, busy, 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 for real. But just all good. That's what I like to be. That's what I like to be. I look hecka crazy. I know. But girl, let me tell you. I had some good rest last night and I really needed it. You know, that was just my crash night where I can't stay up half the night to edit and work and stuff. It's like I'm sleepy. I gotta go to sleep. And that was me last night. I think Maddie was up doing her nails and shoot. I was out, and y'all know Mikey D, he be getting his sleep in. He's an early bird. Yep, he's an early bird, so he has to get his sleep on, child. So he's so gone this morning. Again, busy as always, which is a great thing. So I am, like I said, majority of the day today is trying to pack up for tomorrow to make sure I have everything I need. And I do have a treatment I got to do. And I will show y'all that in a little while on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Yes, Beauty by Sweet Angel. So, and that treatment yesterday, man, it got my skin looking good. I mean, it's supposed to be for like acne and unclogging pores, but you know, even though I'm not a big acne sufferer, I mean, it unclogged my pores because it's got my pores looking like they gone, they disappeared, they not there no more. Yeah, so that's a good thing. And what else is shaking? Next week, y'all, I have a gig next week. Cairo, Illinois. Actually, too, I'll be doing the Blues Fest early part of the day. Well, I can't say early part, but before 11 p.m. Saturday, September the 7th in Cairo, Illinois. And then I'll be doing an after party. So you know your girl gonna be like, Sunday, I'm gonna be asleep. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I really wanted to get another designer haul for y'all. I actually only have one other item that I want to do this week, but I'm going to see if I can get that in. I'm going to see if I can squeeze it in the day because it won't take long. It's just really one other new item. The other item you've already seen, but I'm going to just kind of like tie those two in together. So yeah, so my nails are holding up good. Ta-da! Yeah, been doing these nails, child. That's a nice little bubblegum pink. Yes, indeed. But honey, I'm so excited about what's coming up. Like lots of things coming up. It's getting to be fall time, and I'm looking at these new fall fashions. Like, I'm ready to revamp my closet. Y'all, we have got to clean out this closet. Are y'all going to help me out? Because I need some help. I got stuff in there that I have not worn. And I said to myself, girl, why are you holding on to the stuff? Go ahead, get it out of here. So I may have about 4 garbage bags, large garbage bags of stuff for them to pick up because I ain't going to be messing with that stuff no more. I'm going to get it. I'm just going to like, bye, out, boop, out of here, get out of here. I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. So, hey, I've got to. If I don't, then I'm going to be messed up. I ain't going to have no room for my new stuff because I want some new stuff eventually, especially fall stuff. And fall, winter clothes are just so bulky. And I'm going to find out, I really want a new coat. Maybe 2 new coats, like one for every day and one for when I'm on the road with a hood on it, something nice and cozy. I've got to get me one of those. So I'm looking, eyeballing some things, or did previously. So I want to check out to see if they're available this season to purchase. But I did see one last year and I didn't get it. I just didn't, but I'm going to see what I can find. What else is shaking? And I'm seriously, I've been looking at the living room because I just recently moved back in there. I was in the little family room with the guinea pigs hanging out, but we moved back into the living room, where I sit and watch TV and edit videos and all of that. And I just really want to do like an overhaul of it. Of course, the sectional sofa, that's relatively new within the last couple of years, so that ain't going nowhere. We paid too much money for that doggone thing for it to go anywhere. But I want to re-accessorize the living room because that stuff I've had it's like ancient stuff in there, and I really want to do that. So I am going to be taking y'all on a few decor home trips. Yeah, we're gonna look at some decorations and see what I like and see what fits together, and we'll get it together here soon. And then the kitchen, y'all know dang well my kitchen is so, whoo, that sucker is so old. I'm ready for new cabinets, and that's gonna be my goal. That's what I'm working hard to get next year. I'm gonna get some new cabinets in there, get the kitchen all redone. Now, I know Mikey, he's probably not going to watch this video, but if he watches it, he's going to be like, what? Because y'all know he put up the bar for me, built the bar. But if I get the kitchen redone, I want all the countertops to be the same. So guess what? The bar is going to be out of there, and he's going to be like, what? Not the bar. He's going to be crying. He's going to be upset, kicking and screaming on the floor. Not really. He's not going to do all that. But y'all know I would want everything done. So I think I took y'all on a little journey several months ago. When I went to Lowe's, I think it was Lowe's or Home Depot. And I kind of picked out the color I want. But I'm going to definitely kind of venture and look at that again because they need it redone. We actually need these floors redone. We have hardwood floors, and people say don't get rid of your hardwood floors, never, never, never. So either we're going to either get them all rebuffed or did something, because we got some issues in a few spots. And in the glam closet, there was a patch that we had to actually redo, and I messed it up with the stain. So now I got an ugly little dark area on the floor where I messed it up. But I haven't showed Mikey because he didn't go in there much. And I put the carpet over it so he can't see it. But shucks, I need to get up out of this bed. I really do. So I'm going to get up and actually, hey, get this damn day started. And I will chit chat with y'all on the next video. So on this one, give it a thumbs up. Please drop any comments, drop me some hearts. And babes, if you have not subscribed, you got to do that. That's how you become one of my beautiful babes. So you want to do that, right? You want to be one of my beautiful babes? Come on, we need you. We need you. It's room for everybody. So please make sure you subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload. And also, yeah, share your girl with your world. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.